Jersey number 7, Rodrigo Nakay. Jersey number 6, Nicolas. Pass jersey number 23. Laganas, pass jersey number 4, Chihuahua. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 24, dribbling the ball, pass jersey number out of bounds. Good, private ball. Jersey number 27. Billy Yard dribbling the ball. Jersey number 27. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass jersey number 7, Panadero good. Nakakuha jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass jersey number 6 and 12. Pass again to jersey number 12. Subok ng taras, no good. Dali mo jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 8. Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot up. Jersey number 3, Indiana Torina. Jersey number 20, pass jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, Chihuahua dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot up. Jersey number 24, pass jersey number 23. Give it a pass. Jersey number 27, dribbling the ball.
Lagaras is a scoring machine dito.
Direction. Castillo, jersey number 12. Pass jersey number silver, jersey number 8. Adriano, pass jersey number 3. Adriano with
Nice.
Jersey number 2. Jersey number 23. Lagaras dribbling the ball. Pass jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, pass again to jersey number 23. Pass jersey number 6, Watson. Pass jersey number 20 again. Tuvira.
Oh, scoring machine. Scoring machine si Patrick.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 3 ulit. Bumaba. Pass jersey number 7, Barreda na good. Nakikita mo lang yung Barreda. Jersey number 6, Nicolas Lumera. Good for 2. Jersey number 27, Didier Manila. Jersey number 27, Lumera no good. Nakikita jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball, pass jersey number 23. Jersey number 23, moving second pass. No good. Wala ka nakuha ng foul, Luis Paula. Timeout. Ropa. Timing 4 minutes and 7 seconds to play.
Score?
Jersey number 8, Greece, personal foul, and 4 team foul.
So, yun yung score. Score natin 1938 kalahati. 1938 in favor of Roca. This shows how defensive Roca is, saka yung scoring machine nila, grabe.
Let's continue our second quarter time lead. 4 minutes and 7 seconds to play. Score po natin 38-19 naman ang Roca. Shoutout po